Hey guys, Spence here at Core 4x4. Today I'm excited because we have the half-ton Ram in the studio, and this is one of my favorite platforms that we make parts for because we offer a lot of different options for this truck. So today we're going to highlight a few of those options and go through our different series that we offer, our town, our trail, and our track. And then we're going to throw a set of arms and a Panhard on this and show you how that's done. So let's get over to the table and I'll show you what we have. All right, before we get to putting a set on the truck, I did want to take a minute and talk about fixed versus adjustable when it comes to control arms and your track bar. For the Ram 1500, whether you're lifting or lowering the truck, a lot of the kits come with relocation brackets for the control arms to be able to reuse your factory arms. Now, if the kit's done properly and you're able to put your factory control arms on, or your wheel is centered in the wheel well, and your pinion angle is correct to where you don't have any rear driveline vibrations, that's when I would highly recommend a fixed control arm, and it saves you a little bit of money over the adjustable version. Now, if you've lifted or lowered your truck and you don't have relocation brackets for your control arms, I highly recommend using an adjustable control arm and an adjustable Panhard in order to really align your rear end and get everything back to how it should be before you modified it. I did want to mention that each of our series address a very common problem with this truck, which is the wheel hop. Now, wheel hop is caused by your factory rubber bushings creating a preload on the control arm under acceleration. Now, for any other situation, we do offer 3 different levels to our control arms for the Ram 1500. In front of me, I have the Town Series, the Trail Series, and over here in orange, we have the Track Series. Now, every build's different. Every situation that you're using your truck in is a little bit different. That's why we offer the 3 different series. So I'll start over here with the Town Series on this side of the table. Now, the only difference between the 3 series is really the ends of the control arms. On our Town Series here, each end comes with our high quality polyurethane bushing. Now, the Town Series is just for your typical daily driving around town. If it's a commuter, if you use your truck, I would recommend the Town Series. It's a great option over your factory control arms. And we've tried to name our series to kind of reflect the use of your vehicle in the truck. So now our Trail Series comes with our polyurethane at one end and the flexible Johnny Joint at the other end. So if you haul and tow, or if you do a lot of trails, off-roading, camping, and you daily drive it, I would highly recommend this series. It's our best kind of all-around fit for all-around use on the truck. The Johnny Joint allows some flexibility in your suspension, which just allows it to cycle more freely and more properly and gives you a little bit better ride quality overall. All right, now our last series over here is the Track Series. This series is built with the Johnny Joint at both ends. Now, the Johnny Joint is a really tight but flexible end, so this holds up really well to your heavy towing, your heavy hauling, or especially if you have added power on your truck, if you're supercharged, turboed, what have you. I highly recommend the Track Series. It's going to really allow your suspension to cycle and perform how it should with added power, added weight, any of those really extreme uses for your truck. Now, this truck here is supercharged, it does have a Whipple on it, so we are going to be putting the Track Series on today. And the truck does have an adjustable Track Series set of arms on there right now, and we will be giving that set away, so stay tuned till the end of the video and I'll tell you about that. But for now, let's get the truck in the air and let's get these arms on. All right, I wanted to walk through a couple things before we threw the arms on the truck. We're gonna go with the fixed option because we aren't lifting or lowering this truck. And again, you can actually go with your fixed arms up to 2 inches of lift and down to 2 inches lowered as well, without really affecting your wheelbase or your driveline angles. And I did want to touch on driveline a bit because that will help you determine whether or not you need adjustable arms. You want your pinion angle back here on the rear differential to be as close to parallel to your output shaft from your transfer case as you possibly can. Now, as you lift and lower your truck, your upper arms are quite a bit shorter than your lower arms. So as your suspension changes that height, you can get a little bit of axle wrap adjusting your rear pinion angle to be off enough to cause driveline vibrations. And that's when you're really going to want an adjustable arm, at least in the upper, to really get your pinion angle back so you don't have any driveline issues. So really, ideally, this is easiest on the ground under the weight of the truck because then we can just do one arm at a time and nothing's going to shift too much. For the video, we are going to do it up in the air, and it should go pretty quick, so let's get into it. Oh, that Johnny Joint's pretty toasty. I should have probably greased these. One arm down. Yeah, like that. Oh, it moved a little bit on us. That's two. That one moved quite a bit, so because the struggle is real. Just telling Dylan how easy this video is going to be.
We should probably put another one on the other side.
Is it moving or no?
Not in the right direction.
All right, so Trevor's going to go over and get a ratchet strap because like I said in the beginning, this is a lot easier to just do on the ground under the weight of the truck. I was able to get the lower end on the passenger side. I took that upper rear off passenger side, and it moved enough that it was going to be a pain getting back in. And so I removed the lower driver's side arm, hoping that would help us to maneuver things. But honestly, it made the problem worse. It shifted even further. If you are doing this at home, I highly recommend doing it just on the ground, under the weight of your truck, unless you're changing arm length, then it is easier to do in the air because you are going to be having to move the axle like we are right now. So, but this is part of suspension work. Yeah, try that. All right, I think we finally got not enough.
Like halfway there.
Here, try to put this lower in. Put that one down, grab the other lower. Yeah. All right. This one isn't gonna move on us. Okay. Here we go, last one. And I gotta tighten the last one by hand. Okay. All right, so now that we've got all the arms in, we're gonna set our torque. And if you're using our hardware, you're gonna do 160 foot-pounds. If you're using factory, I think the factory spec is 150 foot-pounds. The rear Panhard, we will do on the ground because that one is a lot more difficult to ratchet strap into place if it comes out. And the torque spec on that Panhard is 140 foot-pounds. The arms do have an option for this brake line tab. And when we did the other set, we actually removed it. So we don't have the clip. And that's okay to run it without. They literally just sit here. If you're worried about it, order the brake line tab and you can rebolt your brake lines to the arms like they were factory. I'm just gonna hit all of them and we'll get the click. The click, click that everybody loves. There we go. Okay, so our body did shift a little bit, even though we're on the ground under the weight of the truck. Go ahead and Trevor and start pushing, get a little bit of rock going until I can get the bolt in. Oh, almost. Oh. All right, scratch everything I just said. We're gonna try using the hoist. Right there. All right, that was a lot easier. There we go. Oh, there we go. All right, guys, that wraps it up for our video on the control arm options that we offer for the Ram 1500. We got fixed, we got adjustable, we got town, trail, track. We are going to be giving this set away. I'm going to go to the best comment on this video from now until June. So you have about 30 days. Also, if you have any questions, reach out to our sales team. And if you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe because that really helps us out. And we'll catch you in the next one.